Hello traders, welcome to today's session, and today I will explain. First point is round numbers. Okay, second point is new highs and new low. Okay, third point and explain some patterns. Okay, so first point is round number, and this is a single round number, and this is a double round number, and this is a triple round number. Okay, this is a weak round number, this is a strong round number, this is a very strong round number. Okay, so you will show the chart these round numbers. You can preference the round number, so many round numbers, that is a strong level. Okay, so next point, this is a very strong round number. Okay, so market does not respect the round number. Okay, that's situation what is happening. Okay, so market does not respected this strong round number. What is happened that situation? Okay, this is a strong round number. Market strong sellers or buyers entry. Okay, this is seller's entry. So again break the round number. Okay, you will expected the next candle make a bullish candle. Okay, this is a rejection. You will also confirm the 5 seconds also, and this is a rejection. You will expected the round retracement candle, and again this round number, why take support level? Okay, why don't take this reversal point, this round number? So sometimes are this round number not respected the buyers or sellers. Okay, this is a buyers example, not respected the buyers, also again not respected the buyers. You don't take this round number support level. Okay, and this is a round number. You can see there is no respected the round number. Okay, this is a single round number. I will explain later. And this is a strong round number. Don't respected the level. You don't have that level support or resistance level. Okay, you don't take that level support and resistance level. Why? Because some buyers are very strong buyers entry. This round number, triple round number, don't respected the round number. You can see only previous candles, this round number respected. Again you will expected the round number make a reversal point. Okay, so you can check the previous level, Okay, this type of situation, this strong round number respected for this level, you will expected the candle close at the level. You can place a directly higher option. Okay, so what I am saying, this round number respected the previous levels. Again you will expected the reversal point. Previous levels don't respected for this round number. You don't expected the reversal point. Okay, so that's reason you don't sometimes are not working on round numbers. Okay, this also same scenario, single round number also and double round number also. Sometimes are this single round number respected the level, sometimes are triple round number not respected the market. Okay, so you will check the only previous level. This is a single round number also, previous level respected the round number, you will expected the reversal point. Okay, it's clear. And these round numbers only previous level respected the round number, you can expect at the reversal point. That's it. Okay, so next point, how to support the how to analyze the new highs, how to analyze the new lows. Okay, this is a bullish candle, strong buying pressure. This is a bearish candle, strong selling pressure at the resistance level. This is a support level. You can see only support level at the new highs. You can see only new lows, only sub resistance level. Okay, okay, and this is a support level. After the downtrend, you can see the strong bullish candle. This candle make a new high. There is a gap. You will expect at the next candle make a bullish candle. Okay, you can see this is a live market, and you can see after downtrend, you can strong bullish candle make a new high. There is a gap. You can place a directly higher option. Okay, and this is also, this candle make a new high. So how to analyze this candle? You can place a directly higher option. Don't take the trade. Okay, you can see this is a downtrend market. Okay, sellers at here, 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 and don't take middle of the trend. Don't take middle of the trend. You can't expect at the buyers. Okay, you can see there is no support level but strong buyers entry. This is a support level. How to analyze the support? This, you can see this is a strong buying pressure at the support level. Again, this downtrend momentum, strong bullish candle, there is a gap. Next sellers entry at here. You can place a directly higher option, and this strong bullish candle. Okay, you will expect it make a strong bullish candles. Again, this is a strong wick new high candle, middle of the trend. You don't take this trade, place a higher option. Okay, you don't take place a higher option. Why? Because this is a middle of the trend. Previous levels are at here. Sometimes are going to make a bearish candles next candle. Okay, sometimes are this continuation candle, sometimes are going to make a bearish candle. This is a 50-50 chances. Okay, this is a 50-50 chances. This is a 90% of giving a winning ratio. This is a 50% of giving a winning ratio. Sometimes are resistance level also make a sometime some bullish candles make a new highs. Okay, this resistance levels make a bullish candles make a new high. There is a strong bullish momentum make a new high. Don't take this trade. Why? Because this already some sellers area, strong rejection from sellers. Don't take this next candle. You don't take a higher option. Okay, so totally I am saying this is a support area. Support area, you check the previous levels. Okay, you check the strong support area at this level, and you can draw the level. This strong support area, you can place a directly higher option, this strong bullish candle after. Okay, so middle of the trend, you can see the strong wick bullish candle. You don't take a trade. sometimes are going to up, sometimes are going to down. Okay, this is a uptrend market, and this candle behavior going to continue in the market, sometimes are going to down. Why? Because previous levels are strong selling force, and this is a 50-50 chances. Okay, so finally you don't trust the middle of the candle, you don't trust the resistance level at bullish candle. Okay, you can choose only support levels, you can place a next candle directly higher option. Okay, so this is a 90% of giving winning ratio, this is a 50% of giving winning ratio, this is a 10% of giving a winning ratio. Don't trust this level, you can place a higher option. You can see only sellers area, you can see only bearish candle. Okay, this is a strong bearish candle, you can place it directly lower option. Okay, and this also I will explain. This is a resistance level, at resistance level you can see the strong selling pressure, again make a weak bearish candle. Okay, you can place it directly lower option after the uptrend momentum. This is a downtrend momentum, there is a resistance level, you can see there is a support level, you can see. Okay, and you can trust this candle 90% of giving a winning ratio. So same scenario apply this candle middle of the trend, you can see this type of candle sometimes are going to up, sometimes are going to down. This is a strong bearish candle, strong selling pressure, but previous levels are trying to make a bullish candle sometimes. Okay, so don't trust this middle of the trend, and this support level also, you can see the bearish candles sometimes are going to make a again continue the market. Okay, you can see this is strong bearish candles, and this is a bearish candle make a new low, sometimes are going to down. Okay, don't trust support level at long weak bearish candle. Okay, don't place a lower option. Okay, you can support level, you can see only buyers candle, you can see only bullish candles. Okay, same scenario, and this support level you can choose the example, this is strong support level, and always come to this level, this is strong bullish candle, you can place a directly higher option. Okay, and this is a strong uptrend, this is a make a strong bearish candle, you can place a directly lower option, this type of candle. Okay, you can trust only support and resistance level, this new low, this new high. So that's what I am saying, it's clear. And next point, patterns. Okay, third one is pattern. These patterns are giving a 90% of winning ratio. I will explain only one pattern. One pattern is double bottom pattern. Okay, this is a double bottom pattern. Okay, you can see there is a strong seller's entry, again some buyer's entry, again some seller's entry, again some buyer's entry, and this is a double bottom. Okay, these type of candles you can trust the only euro USD pair. Okay, I don't know any pair, some patterns, so I will trust only this pattern, euro USD pair mark, euro USD pair only. Okay, so I will show you this pattern. So these type of two candles, okay, this type of three candles you will expect at the next candle. Okay, and this is a bearish candle, again some bullish candle, again some bearish candle. You can place here directly higher option, this candle. Okay, sometimes are, and this is a bullish candle, this is a bearish candle, again this bullish candle. You can place it directly lower option. Okay, I will explain clearly. Okay, this is a bullish candle, right? And this is a bearish candle. Okay, so this candle close only same level, same number. Okay, you can see the same number, these candles. You can place a directly higher option or lower option. You can expect at the, you can see these three candles, you will expect at the next candle. Okay, this bearish candle, again this bullish candle, again this bearish candle close at the point. You can place a directly higher option. Okay, I will show this pattern, euro USD pair. Okay, GBP euro USD. Okay, okay, I will show you. You can see this also, you can see this is also, this closing point, this also closing point, this also closing point. You will expect at the next candle. Okay, and you can see this is a closing point, again this is a closing point, again this is a closing point. You can place a direct lower option. Okay, you can see this is a closing point, you can place a direct place a lower option. This is a euro USD. This pattern most of the time repeat the pattern. Okay, you can see this also, and you can see this also. You can draw the horizontal line. You can choose the three candles. You can place a directly higher option. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is not hitting, and you can see there is a two candles are close at the level, and this two candle close at the level, and you can place a higher option, but sometimes are going to lose. This candle make a new weak bearish candle. Okay, closing point also not same. Okay, you can see this closing points are same. This type of situation, you can see this type of, you can see going to up, again going to down, can close at the level. You can place a directly higher option. Okay, so you can see only euro USD pair, it's working this pattern. So you can place a 9 trades, 10 trades, and giving a 7 to 8 trades winning ratio. Okay, so this course is complete and you can ask me any doubts. I will clear that doubt. And you want which type of videos, request for me, I will try to make that videos. Okay, thank you.